I don't know if you know how profound that is, but I'm going to say it to you again. When you realize whose reflection it is, you stop fighting. There's not someone else there. There's you in the mirror. And Lil Bit knows exactly what he is and who he is because he sees his reflection all the time, and he's become aware that that is what he is. That's who he is. Every time he looks in the mirror, he goes, oh, that's me. So that tells us, Miss Trina, that we become aware of ourselves. At some point during our existence, we become aware of ourselves. We become aware of, oh, I am here. This is me. Right? And when you become aware that you exist, then something else happens to you. And, sometimes people think an awakening is this dramatic thing, when in actuality, it is becoming aware of your own existence. And when you become aware of your own existence, what happens? Well, then you begin to see how you behave, how you speak, your mental attitude. You begin to see those things. Thereby, when you see them, you get to choose, wait, do I want to fight? Because I'd just be shadowboxing. I'd just be fighting myself if I was. When one is unaware, they fight themselves. How do you mean they fight themselves? They fight against their habits instead of recognizing that it is a habit. When you recognize that it is a habit, and you recognize that a habit is any behavior or thing that you do the same way every time, well, now you've become aware of how to make them, thereby freeing yourself of the present habit. Good morning, Lil Bit. Oh, he's aware. He's aware. So you see, as you go through the weekend, remember that you exist. And that existence is not at the mercy of anyone. Hear me out. You exist because you are here. Now, what are you going to do with that existence? That is totally now something that you get to experiment with. What type of existence do you want? Remember